I'm walking, looking for something to do, but there's nothing to do, blah, blah, blah. Who's that? Huh. Who are you? Who are you? Hello, darkness, my old friend. Wait, who are you?
I'm a puppy flyer.
Wait, what did you say?
Puppy flyer.
You look like a cat, not a puppy.
Well, I'm a puppy.
Ugh.
Are you okay?
Nah, not
Wanna
really.
ride home?
I'm a bunny. I'm a savage bunny, though. What's your name?
I said a kitty flyer.
Oh, I thought you said you were a puppy.
Nope, a kitty. Are you dumb? And you can't read?
Wait, what? I thought you said you were a puppy.
No, I'm a kitty.
Oh my goodness. What? Here, say it again.
What's on your face in your ear?
Oh, I've been ripped up. I've been in this suit for many years, and it's been torn up.
That's ouchie. Well, look at my brand new rings I got for Christmas.
Good for you, because I got this scarf for Christmas.
Do you want to ride?
No, no thanks. So, what do you do in life?
Oh, I fly. I let people have ride. And I did not have a friend before though.
You don't have a friend? And you only take people for rides?
Yeah.
If you guys didn't understand that, I'm just going to copy what she says. So, yeah. So, what are you doing today?
Oh, there's just sitting, relaxing, being lonely, and yeah.
Sitting, relaxing, being lonely. Oh, okay. So I can understand that. I'm so bored to do. I don't know what to do today. Where are you going?
I'm flying. Ow! I need to pass this with my wings.
Ow. I can climb up. I'm a great climber. Ah!
Are you okay now?
I don't think so.
Oh, you're going for ears again.
What's that thing? What's that thing?
Let me put this out.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Why?
No, go away. I don't want you to pull it out. Don't.
Okay, I think the bathroom.
Don't you. Oh, my God. I'm going to get out of here.
How's it going? Hope you my fun.
Are you done? Oh, I guess her poop was just an hallucination. What? Wait, what?
Poop.
What? What? Stop eating me! Stop eating me! Why does my life deserve to be? Guys, don't worry. It's just hallucination poop. And you can still see. It's just hallucination. It's just an hallucination.
Sorry, I can't. I just got gas medicine.
Well, just go poop somewhere else. Not on there. Just go on the basketball thing over there and just poop. Or there's fine. I don't care. It's just hallucination anyways. No one can see your poop.
Done.
You're just an hallucination. No one can see your poop.
Do you just want to ride?
Okay.
Real fast?
Yeah, sure.
Zoom, zoom, zoom,
Oh god,
zoom.
oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Ah! Wait, what are you doing? Ah! You're a bad flyer. Do you have your license?
Yeah, look at it. It's a visible license.
Oh yeah, it's a hallucination. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Do you like my wings? Moving on the side is so rainbow.
Yeah, they're really good. Can I walk away now?
Yeah, have a good time.
Oh.
Bye, Bio.
Bye, hallucination thingy cat. fairy thing.
Did you
whatever.
don't know my stupid name?
Nope, I don't.
Bye.
Oh my gosh. Seriously? Is this seriously? Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video of weirdness, hallucination, hallucinations, and pooping cats. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Just watch it.